Sri Prithvi Vaikuntha Mahapuranam, Earth becoming Vaikuntha, Tritiyah Skandaha, Chandrat Buddhatva Praptihi, पृथिव्याः परिभ्रमणं कुर्वन् चन्द्रः ब्रह्माण्डयुग परिवर्तनं संक्रमणस्य समये सूर्यस्य समीपे प्रथम ग्रह कक्षायां गत्वा बुधरूपेण परिणमति. The third skanda is the attainment of Mercury from the moon orbiting the earth, the cosmic age change. During the transit, the moon moves onto orbit of Mercury near the sun and turns into Mercury. अथ भूयो जगद्बन्धो वैकुण्ठात्मा दयानिधिः चन्द्रस्य बुधभावस्य कथां वक्तुं प्रचक्रमे. Then again, the friend of the universe, the Vaikuntha Atma, the treasure of mercy, she began to narrate the story of the moon's influence on Mercury. शृणुते पृथिवी पुत्राः सावधान मनः शुभाः कालचक्रस्य गूढार्थं रहस्यं परमाद्भुतम्. Listen, you auspicious sons and daughters of the earth, with careful minds. This is the most wonderful secret to reveal the cycle of time. यदा चन्द्रः समुत्पन्नः पृथिव्याः सन्निधौ स्थितिः तदा मातुः परिभ्रम्य सेवां चक्रे दिने दिने. When the moon rose and stood near the earth, then he went about and served his mother day after day. ज्योत्स्नयां शीतलां प्रीति ददौ स जगति तले रत्नेः सौन्दर्यकर्तासु कवीनां प्रेरको भवते. He gave cool pleasure to the earth with his light. He who created the beauty of the night became an inspiration to poets. युगान्यनेकानि तदा शनेः शनेरित्य च अनुभवं समवापासो ग्रहधर्मस्य गूढकम्. Many ages then slowly passed by. He gained experience of the mysterious nature of the planets. न केवलं प्रकाशार्थं चन्द्ररूपं व्यवस्थितम् विकासस्य महान् मार्गः तेनाधीतः क्रमात् क्रमम्. It is not only the form of the moon that is arranged for light. He gradually studied a great path of development, evolution. यथा शिष्यः समभ्यस्य विद्यां प्राप्नोति विस्तराम् तदा चन्द्रः स्वकार्येषु सिद्धिं प्रापे क्रमात् क्रमम्. As a disciple attains the knowledge in detail by practice, thus the moon gradually attained perfection in his duties. कालो हि सर्वशिक्षाणां गुरुरेकः सनातनः तस्य पाठान्नधीत्येव सर्वे वर्धन्ति देहिनः. For time is the one eternal teacher of all teachings. All embodied beings grow by studying his lessons. चन्द्रमण्डल मध्यस्थः शक्ति संचयमाचराते भविष्यस्य महत्कार्यं स्वहृदि धारयन्निव. He was in the middle of the moon and accumulated power. He seemed to be holding in his heart a great task for the future. ततः काले प्रभावेण नियतेः शासनादपि नूतनः पंथा समजनी ग्रहयात्रा विशारदः. Then, by the influence of time, even by the rule of fate, he is an expert in planetary travel and is a new path for the people. सूर्यस्य सन्निधो रम्ये बुधमार्गः प्रकीर्तितः ततरं तस्या भवद्गन्तुं योगः कालप्रचोदितः. The path of Mercury is said to be beautiful in the presence of the sun. Prompted by time, he had the desire to go there. नायं गमनमात्रार्थयो न केवलं स्थानभेदकः विकासस्य महाधारः कर्मक्षेत्रस्य विस्तारः. Not only does it mean going, it doesn't just distinguish between places. The great stream of development, evolution, is the expansion of the field of action. यथा बालः कुमारोऽथे युवा भूत्वा प्ररोहते तथा चन्द्रः शनेरेव बुधभावमुपेयुवान्. Just as a child sprouts into a young man, similarly the moon slowly attained the state of Mercury. परित्यज्य पुरातनं रूपं न तत्त्वं त्यजत्यसौ स्वभावः शाश्वतो नित्यं रूपमेव परिवर्तते. Leaving behind the old form, he does not leave the essence. Nature is eternal and ever changes its form itself. अत्र परिवर्तनं लोके नाशो नेति विनिश्चयः विकासो नाम तस्यार्थः प्रकृते परमं व्रतम्. Therefore, it is certain that change is not destruction in the world. The purpose of this is called development, evolution, the supreme vow of nature. बुधः सूर्य निकटस्थो तेजसा समलंकृतः ज्ञान वेग समायुक्तो ग्रह चक्रे व्यवस्थितः. Mercury is near the sun and is adorned with splendor. Endowed with the speed of knowledge, he is situated in the wheel of the planets. यत्पूर्वं चंद्ररूपेण शीतलत्वं बिभाति सः तदेव बुद्धिरूपेण तेजसा संयुतो भवते. That in the past he bears coolness in the form of the moon, that very same in the form of intellect was endowed with effulgence. बुधो नाम्ना प्रसिद्धो भूते ग्रह पंक्तौ विशेषतः विकासस्य महान् सोपान इत्येवाभिधीयते. He became famous by the name of Mercury, especially in the row of planets. It is said to be a great stepping stone to development, the evolution. अनेन दर्श्यते लोके नित्यं वृद्धि प्रजायते न कश्चित् स्थितिमात्रेण संपूर्णत्वं निगच्छति. This vows that there is constant growth in the world. No one attains perfection by mere position, remaining at one position. सर्वेषां जीवनानां च यात्रा भवति निरन्तरा ग्रहाणामपि चैतन्यं कालधर्मानुवर्तते. And the journey of all life is the consciousness of the planets also follows the dharma of time. यददे दृश्यते लोके तत्पूर्वं न तथा अभूते यच्च भविष्यति पश्चात्तन्नाद्य सम्प्रति दृश्यते. What is seen in the world today was not so before. Whatever will happen later is not yet visible. गूढ़ा नियतिरन्त्यत्तं विश्वयात्रां नियच्छति यस्याः सङ्केतयेवायं बुधभावस्य कथ्यते. A mysterious destiny govern an extreme cosmic journey. This is said to be an indication of the nature of Mercury. वैकुंठात्मा पुनः प्राह मृदुभिः सत्यवाक्यके शृणुतान्यदपि गुह्यं लोकमंगलकारकम्. The soul of Vaikuntha spoke again in soft and truthful words. Listen to another secret which will bring auspiciousness to the world. न केवलं बुधस्यैव कथालोके भविष्यति अन्येषामपि ग्रहाणां परिवर्तनमुपस्थितम्. Mercury will not be the only story in the world. The change in the other planets are also imminent. यदा कालः समायाति पूर्णतां कर्मणा प्रति तदा नूतने रूपाणि जायन्ते विश्वमण्डले. When the time comes for the fulfillment of actions, then new forms are born in the universe, in the solar system. सृष्टिर्नामे महागीतिः परिवर्तने लयान्विता तस्यां कश्चिन्न तिष्ठेत स्थिररूपेण सर्वथा. Creation is a great song with a rhythm of change. No one should remain in that state of a steady state by any means. बुधोऽपि स्वस्थितिं प्राप्य स्वकार्येषु व्यवस्थितः कालस्यागमनं धीरः प्रतीक्षमाण इवाभवत्. Mercury, too, having attained his position, settled down to his affairs. सूर्य तेजसी संसक्तः स्वशक्त्यं संविवर्धयन् नूतनस्य युगस्यार्थे सज्जो भूते ग्रह सत्तमः. Attended to the sunlight, increasing his power, the foremost of the planets was ready for the new age, new era. पृथ्वी चंद्रे माश्चापि स्वमार्गे संस्थितो तदा प्रतीक्षेमाणो कालस्य गूढ़निर्णयमद्भुतम्. Then the earth and the moon stood in their paths. They were waiting for the wonderful, mysterious decision of time, decision of Almighty. यदा पूर्णो भविष्येत कालचक्रस्य निर्णयः तदा मार्गे परिवर्तो लोकानां दृश्यते ध्रुवम्. When the decision of the cycle of time will be completed, then the paths of the worlds will certainly be reserved. बुधस्य तते पुरावृत्तं ज्ञातव्यं मानवे सदा विकासो हि जगद्धर्मो न तं जाड्यं कदाचन. Humans should always know this ancient history of Mercury. Development, evolution is indeed the duty of the world and never foolishness. यः पश्यति जगत् सर्वं परिवर्तनमयं सदा स एव तत्त्वतो ज्ञानी नान्यथा मतिमान् नरः. He who sees the whole world always in change, he alone is truly wise and no other wise man. अज्ञानावृता केचित् स्थैर्यमेव प्रचक्षते परंतो प्रकृतो नित्यं गत्येव परिलक्ष्यते. Some covered with ignorance call it stability, but in nature it is always perceived as moving. सूर्यो भ्रमति नित्यं हि ग्रहश्चापि भ्रमन्ति वे जीवनं च प्रहत्येव नद्याः स्रोत इव ध्रुवम्. The sun revolves constantly, and so do the planets, and life is sure to flow like a stream of rivers. एवं बुद्धस्य वृत्तान्तः शिक्षां ददाति मानवान् उन्नतिं प्रति गन्तव्यं न तिष्ठेत जडतां प्रति. Thus, the story of Mercury teaches man one should go towards advancement and not stay towards dullness. धर्मोऽपि यदि न वर्धेत शुष्काचारो भवेत् ध्रुवम् ज्ञानेन सह संयुक्तः स एव फलदो भवेत्. Even if righteousness does not grow, there will surely be dry conduct. He alone, united with knowledge, becomes the giver of fruits. पृथिवी मातरं नित्यं स्मृत्वा सेवां समाचरेत एषः मार्गः शुभः प्रोक्तो लोककल्याण हेतवे. One should always remember and serve Mother Earth. This is the auspicious path declared for the welfare of the world. यः करोति परोपकारं जीवदयां च सर्वदा सविकासस्य पात्रं स्यात् भूमेः पुत्रः स उच्यते. He who always does good to others and is kind to all living beings, he who is vessel of development, evolution, is said to be the son of the earth. यह वृक्षान् रोपेत् भक्त्या जलरक्षां करोति च स एव पृथिवी मातुः प्रियभृतो निगद्यते. He who plants trees and protects water in devotion, he is said to be the beloved servant of Mother Earth. धारणात् धर्म इत्युक्तं पुनः पुनरुदीरितं धारयन्ति यतो भूमिसे तस्मात् धर्म स्वरूपिणी. It has been said and repeated that it is righteousness by meditation. Since the earth sustains it, therefore it is the embodiment of righteousness. Dharma, earth is dharma. Satyam seva daya shanti maitri cha samadarshita ete dharmasya ratnani prithivyaha parama priyaha. Truth, service, mercy, peace and friendship are shown equally. The gems of righteousness, dharma, are most dear to the earth. आत्मवत् सर्वभूतेषु पश्येद्यः करुणामयः स एव देवमार्गस्य अधिकारी भवति ध्रुवम्. He who sees all beings as himself is compassionate. He alone is certainly entitled to the path of the gods. Devlok, second orbit. न जातिर्न कुलं तत्र न भाषा न च भेदना गुणेरेवे महान् लोके मनुष्यः पूज्यते सदा. There is no race, no clan, no language, no distinction. A great man is always worshipped in this world by his virtues alone. बुधस्य कथां केवलं ग्रहवृत्तान्तोच्यते न मानवानां विकासस्य प्रीतिकोऽयनिरूपितः. The story of Mercury is not just called planetary history. It has been described as a symbol of development of human beings. यथा चंद्रो बुधो जातः क्रम विद्या विशेषतः तथा मानवे जीवोपि उन्नतिं प्राप्तुमर्हति. Just as the moon becomes Mercury through gradual growth, so too may a human life attain higher progress. ज्ञानं विज्ञाने संयुक्तं करुणया समन्वितम् एवमेव विकासस्य सोपानं परिकीर्तितम्. Knowledge united with science and accompanied by compassion, this indeed is proclaimed as the stairway of evolution. अतः सर्वे प्रायुञ्जीरन् जीवनं शुभकर्मसु येन लोके हितं भूयादात्मनो अपि विकासनम्. Therefore, let all devote their lives to righteous deeds, by which the welfare of the world and their own growth may both be achieved. भविष्यस्य महान् कालः समीपे वर्तमानकः तस्य सूचनरूपेण कथा प्रोक्ता मया शुभा. A great future age is drawing near. As an indication of it, this auspicious story has been told by me. इत्युक्तं भगवानात्मा क्षणं ध्यानमुपागमते श्रोत्रारः सन्तुष्टमनसः श्रद्धया समन्विताः. Having spoken thus, the Divine One entered meditation for a moment. The listeners, their minds content, were filled with reverence and faith. इति तृतीय परिच्छेदे चंद्रात् बुद्धत्व प्राप्तिः समाप्ता.